Sally. Professor Gamble, you called for me. So, Sally, I called you because you didn't respond to the call for papers. I posted it 2 weeks ago. You called me like with your phone? 'Cause I didn't get any missed calls. It's not that kind of call. In academic terms, a call for papers is a type of invitation for students or researchers to submit a written assignment on a particular topic. So, no one's actually calling anyone. Is it too late now? Officially, Friday the 10th was the deadline. Let's say it was your last call. I thought last call was something bartenders yelled, not professors. It works the same in both worlds. One last chance before things get cut off. But in here, you don't get cocktails, you get consequences. Okay. Can I still turn it in late? That depends, you know. They call me the Dean of Deals. And how about we make one? I like your style, Professor. Continue. Let's flip the coin. But let's raise the stakes. Huh? You call. Heads or tails? If you call it right, you get a 1-week extension. If you call it wrong, you submit papers today. No excuses. Are you calling yourself fair now, Professor? I call the shots in this office. Take it or leave it. Okay, let's do this. I call tails. No, I called it wrong. Which means you get a 1-week extension, Sally. Wait, what? You lose the bet. I win the game. Because now you'll actually write something. It's a win-win. Let's call it a day. You're an angel. I mean, a super weird angel, but thank you. Thank you. They call me after my grandfather, who, by the way, also made terrible choices with students and cards. Guess it runs in the family. And you watch a non-native.